How to change default sound notifications in iPhone. First up, go to the Settings app in your device and then scroll down until you see an option called Sounds and Haptics. Click on that, and as you can see, if you want to change any of the sound of ringtone, text tone, calendar alerts or reminder alerts, you can see the option right on the screen. But if you want to have an option called the default sound, then all you have to do, if you do not see the option right here, is go back to the settings page again and then click on General. Then go to Software Update and see if you have any latest updates left. If you have, so you can either choose to update now or update tonight according to your wish. And after updating to the latest software, you can go back to the Sound and Haptics option again, and there you see an option called Default Sound Settings. Just click on that, and that is simply how you can easily change the default sound in your iPhone devices. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.